Greetings of love, beautiful prisms of light. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Wendy, sharing with you, with all that is, the infinite languages of my light, of the prisms, souls, and oversouls of all that I am, changing, evolving, moment by moment, billions of times. We all are moving through consciousness, awareness, expansion of that awareness and that consciousness. It's a welcome warm right now here in the central Alabama. It's been so cold here and everywhere here in the States, and it's finally 50 degrees today. It's about 10 degrees Celsius. And it's literally increased in temperature about 40 degrees in the last day or two. And this has just been wonderful, this day, this warming. So I walked out enjoying the elements, the fire of the sun, the air, the breeze, the sound of the chimes in the breeze, the grounding of the earth and the trees, and soaking in the oxygen that they breathe. And the water contained within all things. And there's a little lake in the distance. Avevama chiaro shanoma teata. Shakoteve semeteva kana tearo. Tumorali seve sonona. Ashakeana niyama mataya. I love sharing these portals. Speaking the languages of my soul, of my light, of the prisms within me, the elements within me. Tashana kete besopoto kuni de besoposhe taliala kinamite. Miashumea vakania tabi bati ataki. Knowing that we are all connected to the same one consciousness, the same one light. Nashekima levano koyamase sashefti anana girtavato koshanaya nai mukaliana liatayana. Sounds of the animal life around us, the birds, people at work, people at play. Simesenetea Malakonomia Poshua Iatani. I love sharing these moments of peace, connectedness, nowness. Puana kera shinoto. Shimuto ve sonoaya. Just appreciating No ashite. Sanakete sojunati te tonukopa. Te junodieva sopokoye. Nasana te kajanuto vieko. Ni maya etea. Sonokalele vashonokotokokoya. Tashaminayaka. Yamamiaka to Visoposhunoyakiana. Reminding us of our true nature. And reminding us that this is our creation, our conscious creation, all of this. This beautiful reflection. You did this. We did this together. We enjoy this together. We connect with everything. And in this we are together. In this now moment we are connected to everything. We remember. Recognize your connection to this and all that is. Sakurine timbinde tabashane tekere sova somotere ke amaite. We created this together. You are creating this now moment with all that is. For your perception and reflection of this now moment allows all that is to express itself and know itself more completely. What a miracle you are. That you have created all of this. Nashimatayana Narakataya Saparashana Sevekiata Masetayana Yalarokomai Tamurai Shamina Amananaka Tapokone Teve Sabia. All that is. Is part of you, and you of it. Nashimi Hakarakisan Moshotoku Mashati